Pineapple harvesting and packaging. Harvesting pineapples using machines. Washing. Sorting by hand. Go into the packaging line and package. Labeling each pineapple in the box by hand. Mango. Harvesting and transporting to the processing place. Sorting by hand. Ready for going into the washing tank. Soaking. Sprinkling. Packaging and labeling. Moving to the storage area. Bananas. After being harvested, bananas are transported to the washing area. Test the ripeness of bananas. Use the spray to wash the whole bunch of bananas. Cut a bunch of bananas in half to be put into the washing tank. Wrap the stems. Label each hand of bananas. Put into the box for packaging. Weigh the box. Load onto the truck and transport to the consumption place. Papaya harvesting. Wrap each newly harvested papaya in paper. Transport to the washing place. Wash the papayas. Go into drying area. Wrap each papaya into paper and put in the box. Label each papaya. Test the ripeness. Transport boxes of ripe papaya to the processing place. Label each ripened papaya. Wash the ripe papayas. Peel the papaya by hand. Take out the seeds and cut into pieces. Sort and go into the drying area. Dried papaya. Package using automatic machines.